Okay, so today's agenda is we will be going through data cloud overview and setup. First, we'll go with the data cloud overview first, what exactly data cloud is and all. Before that, just wanted to go through this, like what are the modern enterprises data management requirements are, like what are the different data management requirement uh, currently the modern enterprises are having. First, we have the velocity. The enterprises must be capable of integrating the data with different speed. It may be whether it batch mode or real time streaming, or it may be from multiple resources in the form of batch or real time streaming. That kind of a data current modern enterprises needs to manage. So they have the requirement like this, like they wanted to manage these kind of data. Then the data comes with the variety as well. So they wanted to integrate these diverse structures of data with handling different names with different formats. You can see like with the streaming data is different, with the website data is different, with whatever the data comes from the social media is different. So they want that variety of data to combine and work on that. So this is one of the requirement that they are having. Then the veracity, like advanced matching and duplication techniques. So veracity is basically the whatever data is coming from the different sources, how they can match those data, how they can deduplicate various IDs or contact or the phone numbers or even different profiles. That basically their requirement. Then they have the volume, as we have seen the velocity, the huge number of volume of data is coming on a daily basis. So the infrastructure is such that they have to store massive amount of data, and it's not a stable data. It's about fast moving customer data, and they have to manage it. They have to process it. Then last one is the value. Like data should be seamlessly integrated with various business systems and like an open developer ecosystem. So it's enterprise data, and it's widely with the huge amount of volume as well as with the velocity, with the different kind of variety, and also with the different platforms it's coming to their data system. So how they can manage their data, these are like a challenge for them. So this is one of the struggle that uh, current enterprises, like they are feeling the toughness with the current system what they are having. So this is like a challenge for them, like how they can create a single source of truth of customer data. Uh, like like I said, there are multiple data coming from different format. Like suppose in the picture you can see marketing profiles are there, different phone numbers from Service Cloud, then different community profiles, social handles coming from the community profile. Then we have legacy loyalty data, where all the data coming from there, how they can manage this data. With Service Cloud profiles, there are different phone numbers associated with the same person. With Marketing Cloud profile, you can see multiple emails and account linked with the same individual. Then with the Commerce Cloud, you can see like different email addresses or suppose phone numbers are there, and even purchase behavior also. So there is one more option here where the data is coming from the store POS data, where there are many cases where customer lacks with the identity and community profile, like social media presence with only one or different profiles associated with one customer. These are like key issues where the customer is currently struggling with one source of truth for customer data. So data duplication, like the common concerns right now, like data duplication, inconsistent identifiers, and you can see like unknown phone numbers, even some missing profile data. Um, these are like common concerns right now with the customers who are dealing with the huge amount of data. In order to resolve this common concern, Salesforce created one product with the name of Data Cloud. It's a trusted hyperscale data engine inside a Salesforce. It's previously known as customer data platform. It's a real-time data platform that allow businesses to unify and harmonize and activate data from various resources. As I told you, data can come from any form with any volume, with any velocity, and with a different platform, with various platforms as well. So how we can unify that data, we can harmonize that data, and we can activate that data, which is coming from various resources. And that can be possible with Data Cloud. That's a basic benefit from it. Even Salesforce call it's a 360-degree view of their customer by integrating structured, unstructured data. Data can come from CRM, ERP system, marketing platform, even different CRM engagement with third-party applications, or even your legacy system, your social media platform, your streaming platforms. Data, you can ingest data from any platform which you are using, and you can work on that platform. You can unify all the data which is coming from this platform, and you can work on that data by analyzing it, by segmenting it. So Data Cloud is definitely helpful for the customer who is having the huge number of data, and through which they wanted to work on the data. A Data Cloud helps them with the process. So this is like a core pillars of Data Cloud capabilities. As I told you, just like it can connect, it can harmonize, it can unify, analyze, and predict and act. So connect is nothing but like Data Cloud in the sense like Salesforce Data Cloud. It can connect with your system. It can bring your data into the Salesforce. It can harmonize it. Harmonize is nothing but like it can work on the data. It can reconnect the dots with the Salesforce ecosystem. Then it can unify. Suppose your data is coming. Suppose you are the one customer. Suppose Abhinav is the one customer, but he connected through Sales Cloud. He connected through Service Cloud. He's having multiple information or sources in the Salesforce ecosystem right now, but everywhere his name is different, but his email ID is same. His phone numbers are different. So Unify is nothing but it can conduct all the data sources wherever it comes from, suppose website or Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, even Marketing Cloud, and it identifies the name, email ID. It matches that depending on what rule set we assign. We have that capability, like we can add a filter criteria with the feature called rule set. With that, we can unify those records and we can merge it in once. Anyway, we are not disturbing any real-time data. We are creating our own data with the whatever data we are capturing from all these out system. Then we will be analyzing and predicting on that particular data, and whatever the data we have analyzed and predict on that data, we will act together. That was the end-to-end process of Data Cloud, basically. So in the connect, you can see like there are multiple sources where we can get this data. It can be in a legacy system. It can be on website, app data, and even data lakes. It can handle batch or streaming data, which ensures like whatever the real-time data is coming, it can work on that. Then we have the second one, which is the harmonize, where standard data using transformation and data governance framework. It can connect with the Salesforce data, Salesforce data model. It can predict the current data model. And according to that, we can structureize that whatever data is coming from the out system. Then we have the unify. So unify is like different data which is coming from different sources. We can analyze it depending on different rule set. We can whatever the data is coming from the different sources, we can identify that with the identity resolution rule set. We can connect, we can match, and we can resolve that customer data. Then we have analyze and predict, where AI-driven analytics is predict customer behavior and driven insight. Then we have segment and activate. So segment and activate data for personalized marketing, sales, and service interactions. Then we have the act, where whatever data that we have processed through analytics and the prediction, we can act on the data based on your business needs. Data can be activated in marketing, cloud engagement, advertising, even personalization and intelligence as well. Even if you want to use that data for your different actions on your legacy system, or even whatever the activities where you're getting this data, you can use that data to do that activity on your legacy system along with your website and your own systems as well. It's an open and extensible data source. So you can integrate with various cloud platforms like AI models. Even you can bring your own model. First party advertising, app exchange solution also are available. Multiple partners are creating their apps on app exchange. You can bring your own legs like Snowflake, Google Cloud, Databricks, where you can seamlessly integrate with them, and you can bring your data with in the Salesforce Data Cloud, and you can work around it. There will be another option like bring your own model, where there are multiple options are available. It can allow AI ML model to integrate from platform like Amazon, SageMaker, and Vertex AI, Databricks. Through this also, you can bring your own models, which can do advanced analytics for you. Then first party advertising like Meta, Google, Amazon ads. Through these also you can integrate seamlessly with Salesforce Data Cloud, and you can bring your data and work on that. So this image is important, like how this end-to-end process works. As I told you, like there are multiple stages here, like how this end-to-end process work. As I told you in previous slide, like there is a step-by-step process which follow basically like connect. You can connect your data, you can harmonize it, you can unify it, you can analyze and predict, and you can act whatever the data you got it from analysis and prediction. So first, these are like four pillars of data cloud, where the data system, where CRM applications are there, like sales, service, marketing, commerce, data storage, Amazon S3, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, data lakes, and warehouses are also there. Like from any system, mobile, web, even APIs, SDKs, legacy system, you can connect all this data system with data cloud, and you can bring all your data into the data system in the data cloud, and you can work with that. Then the second component of it is data integration, sorry, data ingestion and integration. So basically, whatever the out of the box connection, uh, which need for seamless integration are available. Even MuleSoft Anypoint platform is also available for API-based integration. You can even bring your own lake. You can integrate with existing data lakes as well, which we have seen in previous slide. You can bring your streaming and batch data integration and transform it at real time. Then we have the third one, which is the harmonization, where you can get the data spaces and data models for structured data management. Then we have data mapping and identity resolution for customer data. Then we have data graphs, where you can do a relational data model. Then we have Activate, where data utilization and insight is done. So calculated insight and segmentation for targeted area that we can do depend on your personal requirement. We can do that. And automations analytics for AI-driven insight. Then open access for activation in various platforms like marketing, advertising, BI. There are multiple open access which we can provide. Then Einstein Copilot Studio is also there. It can integrate with Vertex AIs, Amazon SageMaker for advanced AI-driven experiences. So this is like a four-stage process through which all the data goes, and whatever at the end will get, you can work with that data and you can act according to it. We'll see one by one all the process. So it is just an overview